Hello students, how are you all? You all are fine and happy at home. Okay, doing revision, preparing for exams, FA2 exams. FA2 exams are coming, no? English, yes. So revise it well. Okay, so here again we will do revision only. So today we will do revision of FA2 portion. You know the FA2 portion, lesson number 3 and lesson number 4. FA2 portion. Yes. Today also we will only do revision. I hope you all have written in your homework book, revising at home. Okay? You are doing homework daily? Then you will be able to answer. Okay, children? Yes. So are you ready to revise this full portion today? Today we will do full portion of FA2. Okay, children? Yes. If you have not done, then revise today. See, meanings. Now, you all know the meaning of dog. Means what is dog? It is a animal, it is a bird, it is a thing. What is dog? We have done many times, so now you should answer. So dog is an animal. A-N-N-A-N-I-M-A-L. Animal. An animal. Cat. What is cat? C-A-T, cat. Yes. Cat is also an animal. An animal. Okay, children? Cat is also an animal. You all know this, no? Very good. Now see, scared. See, scared. This is of other lesson. Lesson number 4. Scared. What is scared? Meaning? What is meaning of scared? Swati was scared to go to school. Why she was scared? Because she was not knowing anyone in this class, no? So scared means frightened, means little bit afraid. What will happen? What will do? I will do there. So she was scared. Scared. Frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Frightened. Number 2 is excited. Excited. You all know this excited. Excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited means very good. Very happy. V-E-R-Y. Very. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Very happy. Okay. Scared. Frightened. F-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D. Frightened. Excited. Very happy. Excited. Very happy. Okay, children? Yes. Now you all are learning at home, preparing for your exams. Okay, you all want to score higher, no? Get good marks. Scared, frightened, excited, happy. Okay? You want to give your paper properly and okay? So learn it, revise it. Now see, fill in the blanks. This is fill in the blanks. Revision of fill in the blanks. Okay, children? See. Swati is going to class. Where she is going? Which class she is going? You all know this. Yes, you all are able to know this, no? Come on, tell me fast. If you have written, you have learned, So, Swati is going to class 1. Number 2 is tomorrow. See the spelling tomorrow. Tomorrow. Tomorrow will be her dash day in the new class. See, tomorrow will be hers. Tomorrow she is going to the class, no, new class. She is going to school. So, which day it will be? Yes, tomorrow will be her first day in the new class. Tomorrow will be her first day in the new class. Number 3 is Swati. Swati enters the. Where Swati enters? Swati enters. E-N-T-E-R-S. Enters the. Very good. Say the spelling. Very good. Those who are giving an answer. Swati enters the. Very, very good. Those who know the answer. Very good. They will get right in the exam, no? Swati enters the classroom. Very good. Those who have given. C-L-A-S-S-R-O-O-M. Classroom. Very, very good. Swati enters the classroom. Number 4 is Swati also makes. What she makes? Swati also makes with others in the class. Swati also makes friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends with others in the class. Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Number 5 is Swati loves. What Swati loves? Do you remember what Swati loves? Yes, Rahul loves animals, but Swati loves her. What Swati loves? Swati loves her. Very, very good. Swati loves her teachers. T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S. Teachers. Swati loves her teachers. Okay, student? Very good. See, again we will revise. Read it. Swati is going to class 1. Number 2 is tomorrow will be her first day in the new class. Number 3 is Swati enters the classroom. Number 4 is Swati also makes friends with others in the class. Number 5, Swati loves her teachers. Okay. Now see, fill in the blanks with correct word from the brackets. Here in this lesson brackets are given. Options are given. In exam, options will be given. Okay, you have to only select it. So number 1 is Rahul is dash years old. Rahul is how many years old? Which answer will come? 6, 7. Rahul is 6 years old. Rahul is 6 years old. Number 2 is Rahul loves. Rahul loves. See, two options are given, cricket or animals. Rahul loves animals. Number 3 is Fluffy plays. Fluffy plays with a bone. B-O-N-E, bone. Very good. Fluffy plays with a bone. B-O-N-E, bone. We have seen in the picture, dog is having bone in his mouth. Okay. Number 4 is Mimi. Yes, we have done in the last lecture. We have revised this, fill in the blanks. Mimi. What will come? Very good. Mimi purse. P-U-R-R-S. Purse. Mimi purse. Number 5 is Fluffy. Fluffy. Two answers are given. See here. Shakes, wags. Fluffy. What will come? Fluffy. Very good. Shakes. Wags means move from side to side. So, Fluffy. What will come? Here the answer will be very good. Fluffy wags his tail, moves side to side. Okay, children. Now see true or false. Number 1 is Swati is going to the garden. Swati, we have done this last time also. Swati is going to the garden. Answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Swati is going to the garden. False. Number 2 is Swati enters the classroom. Swati enters the classroom. It is true. T-R-U-E, true. Number 3 is Swati makes friends with others in the class. Swati makes friends with others in the class. Sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Number 4. Swati loves to learn new things. Swati loves to learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn new things. Swati loves to learn new things. So the answer will be true. T-R-U-E, true. Now see, once again we will read. Swati is going to the garden. False. Swati enters the classroom. True. Swati makes friends with others in the class. True. Swati loves to learn new things. True. Swati loves to learn new things. True. Okay, children. Now see, this also true or false? Number 1 is Mimi is a cat. Mimi is a cat. Mimi is a cat? Yes or no? Mimi is a cat. Answer is true. Yes, it is cat's name. Cat's name is Mimi. Number 2 is Fluffy. Fluffy is a boy. Fluffy is a boy? No, Fluffy is a dog. Dog's name is Fluffy. So this sentence is false. F-A-L-S-E. False. Fluffy is a boy. False. Number 3. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. Mimi plays with a ball of wool. Is the sentence right or wrong? Yes, it is true. 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 Number 4. Fluffy likes biscuits. Fluffy likes biscuits. Fluffy is eating biscuits. The sentence is true. 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 Number 5. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. It is false. See, again we will read this true or false, okay, so that you will understand it better. True or false? Number 1. Mimi is a cat. True. Number 2 is Fluffy is a boy. False. Number 3 is Mimi plays with a ball of wool. True. Number 4. Fluffy likes biscuits. True. Fluffy likes biscuits. True. Number 5. Rahul strokes Fluffy's coat. False. Okay, children, now we all have done true or false. Meanings. Fill in the blanks. You have read also, learned also. Now we will do give one word. Okay, give one word. This also you have to read properly, learn well. Understand it first. Read the sentence, read these words properly, understand it and then give answer, okay? Number 1 is gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. That is stroke. S-T-R-O-K-E. Stroke. Gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. That is stroke. Number 2 is the fur or hair on an animal's skin. Hair on an animal's skin. The fur or hair on an animal's skin. That is coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Number 3. A sound that a cat makes. A sound that a cat makes. What will be the answer here? A sound that a cat makes. It is purrs. P-U-R-R-S. Yes. Now number 4. This you know this. Moves from side to side. Moves from side to side. That is wags. Okay, children. See, once again we will read this. Number 1, gently moves one's hand across the skin or fur. Stroke. Number 2, the fur or hair on an animal's skin, that is coat. Number 3, a sound that a cat makes, purr. Number 4, moves from side to side, that is wags. Okay, children. Now question answers. See, this you have to write down in the exam. Here no options will be given. In effective exam, no options will be given. This you have to write. Okay. Question 1 is, what is cat's name? You all know what is cat's name. What is cat's name? Very good. Answer is, cat's name is Mimi. See, you have to do M capital. It is name, no? So M should be capital. First letter should be capital, M should be capital, and then full stop. Here apostrophe. See, I want this way answer. Okay, children? Question 1. What is cat's name? Answer 1 is, cat's name is Mimi. See here, first letter capital, then all small letters, then M should be capital, and when the sentence is finished, there is a full stop. Okay? Question number 2. What is dog's name? What is dog's name? Yes. Dog's name is Fluffy. Here also F capital in Fluffy. D capital. First letter of the sentence should be capital. So D capital. Dog's name is Fluffy. Dog's name is Fluffy. Very good. Now see, answer this question. These are also question answers. This also you have to write down in full sentence. Okay? Question number 1. Why is Swati scared to go to school? See how I have written the answer, that way you have to write. Why is Swati? First read the question properly, understand it, and then give answer. Why is Swati scared to go to school? Answer is, because she doesn't know anyone in the new class. Because she doesn't know anyone in the new class. Understood this answer? Because she doesn't. K-N-O-W, no. Don't write N-O. K-N-O-W, no. Anyone in the new class. Because she doesn't know anyone in the new class. Very good. Those who have learned this. Now you have to learn this answer. Okay? Question number 2. What? W-H-A-T. What does? D-O-E-S. Does mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother first. F-I-R-S-T. First. Say. S-A-Y. Say to. T-O-to. Swati. S-W-A-T-I. Swati. What does mother first say to Swati? Answer, you all know, no? Yes, answer is, see, listen carefully the answer. Mother says that Swati will make new friends. Mother, M capital, first letter capital. Mother says that Swati, see in Swati also it is a name, so capital letter. Will, M-A-K-E, make new friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends. Okay, children, see. Mother says that Swati will make new friends. Okay, you have to learn all question answers also. Question number 2. See, first you read this and understand. What does mother first say to Swati? Answer 2 is, mother says that Swati will make new friends. Mother says that Swati will make new friends. You all have understood this now? Learn it well. Give the answers properly. First letter should be capital. After the sentence is finished, there should be full stop. Don't forget this. Okay, children? Now question number 3. What does Swati like about her school in the end? Understand properly. What, W-H-A-T, what does, D-O-E-S, does Swati like about her school in the end? What does Swati like about her school in the end? What does Swati like about her school in the end? Yes, you all know the answer. See, in the end, see here also I should be capital. In the end, then comma. In the end, Swati likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes teachers, T-E-A-C-H-E-R-S, teachers, friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S, friends, and, A-N-D, and learning, L-E-A-R-N-I-N-G, learning new, N-E-W, new things, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Okay, children, see again we will read this. Question number 3. What does Swati like about her school in the end? Answer 3 is, in the end, Swati likes teachers, friends, and learning new things. I hope now you all have understood question answers. See, okay children, listen that in question answers, first letter should be capital. After the sentence is finished, last you have to do full stop. Okay, read the questions properly and then write the answer. Okay children, Yes, be safe at home, do your homework, do revisions of FA2. Listen, learn it and write. Learn and write. Okay, children? Thank you.